Got it here a bunch of everyday carry tactical pens. First we're going to start with a Benchmade. This is a carbide tip. Let's open it up, see what it looks like on the inside. Looks like we gotta do a lot more on spinning. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. This is actual pen right here. So I guess you can write it like that. We'll have to hold it like that. This is actual like a window breaker and everything else breaker. So this is just opens like that. Pretty awesome. It looks like you actually have to write it with that, but this is actually carbide tip, and this is where you write it. Pretty interesting, really nice, and I guess a nice protecting tool against the animals whenever you're hiking. That's better than nothing. Then we have here Booker. Let's see what this thing is all about. You know, Booker is pretty nice knives, and this one I actually got on Amazon. There's a different colors. Check this out. So this is actually like bolt action pen. Ooh, that feels really good. So this one a miniature one, and I guess I don't know, this is just a pen to me, less so much tactical, but yeah, it is very durable, as you can see. Easy to take apart and just replace the ink. But yeah, I kind of like whenever knives brands make a pen, usually it's a high quality. There's no sharp edges to it. I guess it's just a really unique mechanism. Very nice and miniature. Okay, this one Gerber. Okay, this one is really heavy. So the tip is right here, also a window breaker, and this right here actually clicking the pen out. To replace the pen, all you have to do is take this out and put it in. Very interesting how there's tip already built in Gerber. It is quite heavy, probably the heaviest out of the other two. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Really big and heavy. I kind of like the Benchmade so far the best. Okay, this one kind of funny. This is like a Bellasson pen by Spyderco. You see right here, Spyderco. So you got an actual pen. It should magnetize together. What's happening? Is it broken? So you know how you can do all the sticks just like a Bellasson pen, but how come it's not holding it together? Honestly, it was pretty cheap, and I guess you twist it like that and write something up. I guess you can write it this way as well, but honestly thought they would unfold and stay together. This one kinda doesn't even stay together, but it's okay. That was pretty cheap pen. Bellasson pen. There you go. That's interesting. Then we have here a couple of WonderBurns. So this one is from Amazon. I guess you untwist it, flip it over and plug it in like that and write something. Also to, I guess, replace the blade, you'll have to take this whole thing out and put the ink in. But that's a really unique ink. I'm sure you could order it online whenever you need a replacement. Oh, it just fell through. What? I guess you gotta plug it in here and it will hold it. So first of all, you got it here a pen, keychain. Whenever you don't want it, you just tighten it up like that, and it's, I guess, waterproof. I kind of like it. Holds together. Oh, there you go. You gotta push it in all the way. Now it's tight. Pretty awesome. Keychain pen every day. In case you need to get a pen, you always can have one. That's kind of cool. Okay, what about this one? Mac Army. Some kind of Amazon tactical pen that was recommended to me. That kind of small and tiny. Look at that. And this is bolt action. That is so tiny. How do you even write it? I guess it's like a little, I don't know, pencil in a sense. So nice. And this is like bolt action pen. Cool. I like it. It's pretty unique. And what kind of ink it takes. Wow, that's shorty. It usually says the number and information about the ink in case you need to replace it. But yeah, that's kind of cool. You see bolt action, keychain pen, I guess, another one. I like it. There's a lot more that just some of the few that I found are like big name brands over here, and a couple of just random Amazon items were recommended to me. So let me know in comments below which one was your favorite or which one you already use.